Hello and welcome to Fact Check Moment on Splash FM 105.5 Ibadan. This program was designed to help us scrutinize claims in the public space with the intent on ascertaining their veracity and to facilitate the ethos of truth in journalism and enhance media literacy in Nigeria. And it is brought to you by Dubawa 2021 Fellowship in partnership with Splash FM. Does eating food in plastic containers cause different types of cancer? Recently, a picture went viral on social media, including on WhatsApp and Facebook, containing claims that eating hot food, drinking tea in plastic cups, and microwaving foodstuff in plastic bags will cause cancer. The image on social media contained a message attributing a claim to the American Doctors Association and linked plastic to 52 types of cancer. It also contained warnings and advised that the message be shared to others. Alongside warnings, the message had a list of a few of the causes of cancer by the American Doctors Association. In the first instance, a search by this researcher shows that the image is not a new one. It has merely been recirculated recently and repeatedly. It appeared on Nairaland in 2016 and many other places, including on Facebook. Let's verify the American Doctors Association. This researcher combed the internet to confirm whether the image and its content truly emanated from the source to which it was attributed, the American Doctors Association. The Association of American Doctors has a dormant Facebook account. According to information on its Facebook account, it was created on 29 March 2015. It has 581 followers, but its last activity, as self-generated content, is a profile picture posted on December 22, 2016. The search on Google did not yield any organization by the same name, giving the hint that it does not exist. Rather, what is available includes Association of American Physicians and Surgeons and American Medical Association, but no American Doctors Association. In other words, the source or authority to which the cancer claim was attributed is non-existent and therefore fake. But what causes cancer? Various studies say there is no single cause of cancer. Many scientists or groups like Stanford Healthcare maintain that it is the interaction or aggregation of many factors that produces cancer. In some broad forms, they say that the factors may include genetic, environmental, or constitutional characteristics of the individual. But they list some of the cancer risk factors to include lifestyle, such as smoking, high-fat diet, working with toxic chemicals, family history, inheritance genetics, some genetic disorders, exposure to certain viruses, and environmental stimuli. They believe also that some forms of exposure to chemotherapy and radiation can predispose to cancer. Does plastic cause cancer? Some studies have found that certain chemicals are released from plastic into our food and beverages and have been linked to some metabolic disorders, including obesity and reduced fertility. When heat is involved, the release of the chemicals can be faster, especially when using the microwave, but other experts insist no sufficient research has been carried out to make this claim evident. So far, there is no research that answers how much amount actually gets into our body. However, some studies strongly believe that at certain exposure levels, some of the chemicals in plastic beverage containers, some disposable plates, and toiletry bottles, such as bisphenol, may cause cancer in people. BPA, that is bisphenol, is a weak synthetic estrogen found in many rigid plastic products, food and formula can linings, dental sealants, and on the shiny side of paper cashier receipts to stabilize the ink. They insist, however, that if you must use plastic, there must be plastic with recycling symbol 2, 4, and 5, which with recycling symbol 7 are safe, as long as they also have a leaf symbol on them. It is almost a consensus that no research has been able to establish that plastic causes cancer. In fact, this is the submission of Dr. Jimoh Mutiu, a clinical oncologist at the University College Hospital, Ibadan, who told this researcher that there is no scientific basis in any part of the world to show that eating food in plastic causes cancer. He said, and I quote, "We work with evidence. The only thing that has been proven is processed food or smoked food that are carcinogens. Even in smoked food, we always advise cancer patients to eat smoked food in moderation. Smoking has been proven to be a risk factor for the majority of cancer, same as alcohol, but there is no scientific proof to support eating in plastic." While responding to claims that making moi moi in nylon could cause cancer, he stated that this is also within the realm of speculation. For him, All these things need to be based on evidence. People can just assume anything. If there is no scientific background, science will not agree with it. He concluded that even if any study is carried out, the average result of the study will still be insufficient to generalize that it is universal. In conclusion, while there is evidence that plastic contains a measure of chemicals that scientists say are injurious to human health when used in packaging or processing food and drinks, there is a strong belief that plastic cannot be sufficiently and exclusively linked to cancer. Thus, there is insufficient evidence to substantiate this claim that eating hot food, drinking tea in plastic cups, and microwaving food in plastic bags will cause cancer. For further details of this program, please visit our website www.splashfm1055.com. You can also send me an email at molatumbosun@splashfm1055.com. I am Michael Olatunbosun. This researcher produced this fact check for Splash FM 105.5 Ibadan with the Dubawa 2021 Fellowship Partnership to facilitate the ethos of truth in journalism and enhance media literacy in the country.